Hi and welcome to a quick FortiWeb tutorial video on OCSP stapling and server certificate revocation verification. In SSL and TLS connections, clients like browsers or apps validate the server certificate presented by FortiWeb. This includes checking the certificate against a trusted certificate authority store and contacting the Online Certificate Status Protocol (OCSP) responder to confirm if the certificate is revoked or expired. The diagram below illustrates how clients individually contact the OCSP responder to verify the certificate's revocation status. However, with every client making a separate request to the OCSP responder, it adds extra network traffic. This increases connection times and can cause noticeable delays when establishing SSL and TLS connections. FortiWeb provides an enhanced method for verifying the revocation status of server certificates. Instead of having each client individually contact the OCSP server to validate the certificate, FortiWeb can be configured to periodically query the OCSP server and cache a timestamp response. The cached response is then included or stapled with the TLS SSL handshake, enabling the client to validate the certificate status when it makes a request. This reduces network traffic, improves efficiency, and ensures faster SSL and TLS connections. In this use case, we will walk through the steps of configuring OCSP stapling in FortiWeb. First, we will enable OCSP stapling in the FortiWeb GUI under Server Objects Certificates OCSP. Next, we will reference the local certificate in the server policy. Once the required settings are configured, we will verify the server certificate's validity by observing how the browser responds to the changes. To import the certificates, navigate to Server Objects Certificates Local and click Import to import a certificate. Select the type of the certificate and choose the certificate from your files. Then, go to Server Objects Certificates CA. Enable Local PC, upload the CA certificate, and click OK. To enable OCSP stapling, navigate to Server Objects Certificates OCSP. Click Create New to add a new remote certificate. Enter a name for the object and select the CA certificate associated with the server certificate to be queried. For local certificate, select the server certificate that FortiWeb presents to clients for SSL connections. In the OCSP URL field, specify the URL of the OCSP responder server and click OK to save your settings. To reference the local certificate in the server policy, navigate to Policy, Server Policy, and edit your server policy. Set the certificate field to the local certificate you configured with the OCSP stapling settings in the previous step. Verify that the new configuration is working. Visit your application website. If this warning appears, check your OCSP configuration, validate the CA certificate, or renew the certificate with your certificate authority if needed. Thank you for watching.